Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch ME LED TV. With this display complaint, here the TV comes with sound okay, no picture fault. Here you can see a white shaded picture with no graphics problem. See, this TV comes with a full HD panel display having Tcon board. As we discussed earlier, due to internal shorting in Gatesignals, the panel DC to DC IC goes to protection mode. Due to that it doesn't generate any basic panel voltages. Here the permanent solution is panel replacement. However, there is a temporary solution. If panel Gatesignals shorting is in any one side of the panel, then we can repair it by blocking Gatesignals to that shorted side from panel scaler board or Tcon board. These are the Gatesignal tracks from right and left side respectively. Here the Gatesignals are connected to the panel to display from Tcon board using these two FFC cables, which represents both left and right side of the glass panel. So here first we are going to disconnect left side FFC cable. If half portion picture is okay, then block left side Gatesignals using taping method. If half picture is not okay, complaint remains same, then reconnect FFC cable and perform same operations on opposite side. See here first we disconnected left side FFC cable and complaints remains same, so here we reconnect left side cable and disconnected right side FFC cable. After that, here you can see half portion of the picture. This means that right side Gatesignals are short. So let's block Gatesignals tracks from right side FFC cable using the taping method. Finally, now work is done. Here you can see now the picture comes and the TV started working. But always remember that this is just only temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.